inch to be exact.
I've already tried shining the camera up at the tree. You can't really see them. But there's a lot of birds right there.
They have a special vine that grows up the tree, and their nests are all
Yeah. I'll turn the camera around so you can at least see what we're talking about, but you won't really be able to. I wasn't able to see it just by on the camera. But there, see they got vines. Oh, there we go. Vines all the way around that tree. And it's just full of nests. I don't want to scare them off either. That's beautiful. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Yeah, beautiful. Where are they at? Well, I have to kind of study it, see if you can find anything. There's one. Pretty tall tree. It just keeps going up, 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 and up. So anyway, so we're in a rest area in the middle of Illinois somewhere. The long, boring stretch of Illinois. We don't mean anything bad to the Illinoisans, but when you're passing through Illinois,
it's long.
it's long. I'd rather drive through Texas. And that's 800 and some miles across. Illinois seems way longer. I know it's not, obviously, but it seems way longer. It's been one of those days. What do we do today?
Not much.
Pretty much nothing.
Loaded.
Well, that's not true. We didn't load. Did we unload? Oh, we just loaded.
No, we just loaded today.
Yeah, we just loaded.
We slept and we loaded. And
Stevens
we drove
Point.
some.
Stevens Point, Wisconsin is where we loaded this morning. That took about 2-3 hours. So, and we got loaded there, scaled down the road right away. Drove to Leroy, Illinois for our mandatory 30-minute break. And had poppers, and I had a gyro, traditional.
I had a bacon brisket.
Traditional gyro is made of lamb. I didn't know that. I tried it. One bad. Busy area, this rest area. A bunch of birds just took off. But we're chilling, relaxing. Not really expecting anything supernaturally funny in this one. We're just relaxing.
Enjoying our birds.
Yeah. I'm tired, actually. I mean, I shouldn't be. I had 2 highly caffeinated cups of coffee today, and I'm just like, not happening. Not happening. And my wife's giving me nothing to go on. She's just smiling at the camera. Okay, I wasn't smiling, but she's just doing whatever to the camera.
Whatever I want, I guess.
I suppose. Where are we going?
Georgia.
Yeah, right outside Atlanta for 1 a.m. Friday, which basically means midnight tomorrow for us, Central. Not sure how that's going to work.
It's going to be a long day.
Did you just burp on my video again?
No,
No? I could have swore I saw
just air. But if it happens, it happens, eh?
Yeah. One thing we do on these videos is keep it real.
Oh, yeah.
By the way,
What? What?
when I load a video,
Yeah?
I'm going to say 25% of the time, it shows up in my feed perfectly up and down, like this, like we're watching it. Then I go back and look at it, and it's sideways. I'm not going to turn my camera sideways to, yeah, like that. It's like that. We're all sideways. Anybody know why? It's fine 1 minute, and then
We go crazy the next.
yeah. So, I mean, if you guys aren't watching those sideways ones, I kind of get it. But I don't know why. Watch them anyway. Turn your phone sideways. Let us know what you think.
What?
Yeah, it'll be okay. I should move my hat so you can get in there.
I am wiggling my hat.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
Not yet. I'm not going to drag you to the truck.
Yeah. Oh, park bench in a rest area. I mean, you probably guessed that. just
Since he mentioned it, what, 2 minutes ago?
well, I mentioned we were in a rest area.
Yeah, you did.
They can see that we're sitting down. Right?
Yeah.
But 2 rest areas. Uh-oh.
Oh,
My
man.
phone just told me we had a low battery.
That's not good news.
Okay. Show's over.
Cut it short.
We gotta go to the truck now, fix it. But I was gonna say, just 2 rest areas down from here is the rest area with the big lake in the back where I took some pictures from before. I don't know how else to say that.
I don't know either.
Lake pictures. And we'll probably delete this movie. We'll delete this video. I'll make another one there probably. Then again, we might not because
Why?
why? Real is real. Not everything's funny. Not everything's peppy.
Doesn't have to be.
Nope. We just are who we
Enjoying
are.
our day.
I am
Sitting
enjoying my
still.
day, but I am tired. And I don't know why. It's just like instant. I don't know. Instant.
Well, you did
tired.
drive 500 miles.
Did I?
Yeah.
I didn't even look. That could be why.
That's why.
I know I got 550 to do tomorrow.
Yeah. You said you had 537 or something like that.
That could be it. Holy crap. Cow.
Yeah, watch your mouth.
Yeah. We're at over 7 minutes now. We didn't say a thing.
Toodaloo.
Today, that's going to work for me.